In today's video, we're going to be showing you how to add a verification system in Discord servers. So, the first thing you want to do is you want to head over to securitybot.gg, and then after that, you want to click Add Security Bot. You then want to add the server that you would like to connect with this security bot, and once you do that, you can click Continue and make sure you have Administrator checked on, and then click Authorize. After you've added it, you then want to head over to your Discord server and you want to type /verification enable. And then after that, you want to send it in. And then you want to type in /verification setup channel and then send that in. And then it should pop up that your verification channel has been set up successfully. And then you'll be able to see it up here that you now have a new verification channel added to your server. You then want to head over and type /verification type, and then you'll have three options. I'm just going to go ahead and pick one-click verification, and then enter that in. You then want to head over to the top here so that you can click server settings, and then you want to go to your roles tab where you'll see that there will be an unverified role that automatically is created. What we want to do is we want to create a verified role. You can call it whatever you want, but for the sake of the video, I'm just going to call it verified. You could choose a color, give them whatever specific permissions, and then after that, you can go ahead and click Save Changes. You then want to head over and type /verification set verified, and you want to choose the role that you were created for your verified members. After that, you send it in, and then it should give them the proper role verification. Now you have a fully working verification system in your server. If this video helped you out, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like these. Goodbye.